So when I heard my Igbo name, my ancestor inside me heard it too, and woke up. She lay asleep in my DNA for hundreds of years, but hearing her name made me feel so alive. This is the New York City love story of how I met my fiancé. Hi, I'm Zakia, I love Afrobeat, and I'm a fashion influencer who models African print attire. I've dated around a lot, but never found a guy who I felt that spark with. But then one day this Igbo Nigerian guy saw one of my posts and slid into my DM. We met up and he turned out to be everything I ever wanted. He gets me. He gave me
the Igbo name, Ogochukwu.
I looked it up on social media, found Chukwunonso captures, and binged his series about an expecting mother who was visited in dreams by her Igbo ancestors to help her choose a baby name. I had some cultural misunderstandings with his parents, but our relationship still made it, and he proposed to me. He's so understanding and supportive of my career as a model and influencer.
Drop your Igbo name in the comments or tell me to check my DMs if you ask for an Igbo name gift.